Hey everyone, and welcome to Devolutions HQ.
Hi,
I'm
everyone.
Yen, and I'm here with Jenny again, and we got another episode for you today. We got lots of great things in the bag for you, and first thing we're going to talk about is some security news. So let's take a look at that.
Yeah, well, I'm sure you guys heard about it, but the Marriott has been hacked.
Oh man,
Over 500 million Starwood account were
That's
actually
crazy.
hacked.
Yeah.
So that's a bunch.
Sure.
If you're wondering why the hack happened, what happened, they're still searching where exactly, but what they found out is that it's since 2014
That's
that the
crazy.
database has been hacked, and they just found out now.
Man, I think I've stayed in a Marriott since then.
You know, you might
Yeah,
want to check your
I might wanna check it,
information
yeah.
because among the information that was taken was, name, address, when you stayed at the hotel. For some person, it even
Sure.
included credit card number.
That's crazy, yeah.
So
yeah.
it's
Sure.
really, like, right now it's iffy. If you had a Marriott Starwood account,
Yeah.
what I would strongly recommend,
Yep.
change your password.
Yeah, good
Anywhere
idea.
you use the same password, which we recommend
Yeah,
not
wait,
to do.
sure.
But change your password everywhere right now. Review your payment, your credit card statement, just
Yep,
in case
yep.
there's any unusual activity on it. So
Yeah,
be
yeah,
very well
absolutely.
aware of that.
Sure.
Also, be careful of phishing emails because
Yeah,
they might
yeah.
try to take your information and try to send you some phishing emails.
Sure.
And also, if you use RDM, you can use our Pawn password check while entering a new password to verify if this password has already been hacked somewhere, has been pawned somewhere.
Oh yeah, and that's great with the website. Even haveipinpawn.com.
Yeah.
You
Yes,
can go there
exactly.
and
Even on
see.
that website.
You can see if your information's been leaked. I guess I'll have to change my sticky notes now.
I
For the Marriott. So I have a little Marriott with my password. No,
I
actually
think you
no.
should rip it and take
Yeah,
a new
that's
one.
exactly. We're trying to get away from that, so I'm going to do it in
Yes.
RDM. But yeah, no, that's a great idea. So yeah, use those features.
Yeah.
All right, other news. We got. Let's head into the trenches. We got some blogs to take a
fun.
look at.
Yay.
So. Okay, what we did was we wanted to take, it's kind of a new segment, but a feature request. Like we said, you can make feature requests on our website. You can go on
Okay.
forum.devolutions.net and make a feature request. So maybe there's a feature that you're dying to get done in Remote Desktop Manager or
Oh.
Wake or DPS. And you're just curious and say, how do you get your voice out there? So we had Rob Connon, who works with Northern Computers, and he and his team were looking at an adjustment to our checkout system, which came out in RDM 13.
Okay.
So the idea is the checkout system is there to, when you check out a document, it locks the user, all the other users from editing that document. Just an interesting feature that he wanted to do was they were checking out a bunch of documents, Excel files and stuff like that, over 500 documents, 30 different users. Problem is people weren't checking it back in. So he requested, could we have an automatic check-in feature? And so we added that. And then we even added some, if it's checked out, well, you could also open it in view-only mode. So
Oh, that
if
is
somebody
pretty cool.
opens up a financial document, somebody
Neat.
else needs to see it, not edit it, they can open it up. So he requested that. Anyway, he came back several months later after we implemented the feature and worked with all of our team, and he was super excited. So I wrote a blog about that, and you want to check it out. We'll put it in the show notes below, but you can look at the description there.
I'm sure gonna go and read that.
Yeah, it's really interesting. But the guy, Rob, was super happy. In fact, this is what he said at the end. He says, the Devolutions team has hands down the best vendor support that we have of any of our vendors.
Wow.
And not only for resolving issues, but for implementing new feature sets as well. Rob, smiley face. So anyway, we really appreciate you, Rob. Thank you for your
Thank
input.
you, Rob.
But anybody else that has great input, just send your feature requests. We have lots more to come down, and a lot of times you wonder, why is this new feature in Remote Desktop Manager? Why another update? Well, a lot of these things are things that you guys have asked for, and so we're there to help you guys out. So be like
So
Rob.
it's nice to hear. Yeah, be like
Be like
Rob,
Rob and
please.
suggest. Yeah, so it's good. All right, good. Let's take a look at some more tech news.
Yeah, okay, some more tech news. So, last week we're talking about Alexa, the
Yep.
Amazon Echo.
Yep, absolutely.
So I was reading a little bit about it because
Sure.
I have a Google, you have the Alexa, and I was
Yeah,
just
yeah.
reading about it, more information about the whole fact that this little gadget, this little speaker listened to us all the time.
Yep, absolutely.
And working in security, I had to wonder what's actually our privacy on this. Like,
Sure.
where's the security? And then looking around, what I found out is that there's actually last week there's a judge in New Hampshire
Okay, yeah.
that actually asked Alexa for the recording
Okay,
of
wow.
the Alexa
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
for as it would be the witness of a double murder.
Wow, so they confiscated an electronic device. That's amazing.
Exactly.
Yeah, I know they do it for phones and text messaging
Yeah.
and stuff, but that's interesting concept.
But then you
yeah.
gotta wonder, like, how much is it recording? How much is
Sure.
it listening to us? And just doing Alexia, stop listening.
Yeah.
It won't work, guys.
Yeah, exactly.
We've tried around, we looked around, it won't work.
Sure.
There is a few, like, I'm not saying don't buy Alexia, it's dangerous. All I'm saying is maybe there's a few things that you should know
Yeah.
about it. These smart speaker actually have built-in privacy set.
Sure.
Which we don't know about, but there's actually an app you can go on and delete all the conversation that was recorded.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can go and delete the conversation, and also what you can do is put a mute button on it.
Yeah.
So it will stop recording you, it won't hear you.
Absolutely.
So it might be like, I just want people to be aware of what's going on, and just to be, maybe have a discussion with the family, and just be careful about Alexia and what's
Sure.
being recorded.
Yeah.
Just be aware
Yeah.
of what's going on.
It's interesting you say that though, Jenny, because we work in security, we work
Yeah.
in password management, and the other day I was looking through the Alexa app just like you did, and it literally shows you every query that was asked and what Alexa answered. It shows you the whole system, and there is a delete history button there. But I'm a security person. I know technology. Imagine somebody that's not familiar with this,
Exactly.
and they leave it on. They don't know. So you got to find best practices. So we're
Yeah.
not saying with the Internet of Things. Listen, we got watches, phones, all sorts of stuff. But you just got to be careful. Realize that your
Exactly.
information could be out there, and just be aware of that. Just be conscious when you're making
It's
these
just that
decisions.
they're finding out that it could be easy to hack.
Yeah, it could be easy to hack,
You just
yep.
don't want this information to fall into the wrong hand.
Sure.
So maybe just keep it up to date, delete it once in a while.
Yep.
Just
Yep.
do some action to make yourself even more secure.
Just be proactive. And it's
Exactly,
just
thank you.
it's just like password management.
Yeah.
I mean, literally,
It really
you have to be
is.
proactive and you have to know what's going on. So
Yeah.
hey, we want to know what you guys' our viewers best ideas for holiday things, especially tech related, because we know we're in that domain.
we're
We like that kind of
techies.
stuff. So we play around with those toys and gadgets
Yeah.
all day long. And what we're going to do is next week, actually, we have Joey's writing a blog
Yes,
about
that's true, next
some
week.
gift guides next week. And also, we will pick a couple personal things. I
Yeah.
might even bring a couple things in to show
Come
you
on,
guys.
let's be cool, let's be
and
fun,
It'll
it's
be a fun
Christmas.
and maybe a little show and tell, But the idea is, give us your best ideas, because
Yeah.
you might share something with another user and they'll say, hey, they just saved a great Christmas gift for somebody else in the
Exactly.
family. So
And we might also need some ideas.
yeah,
so
and
help us out.
I say maybe, because we have our little wakey here,
Oh.
maybe the winner of the best idea or a
Mm-hmm.
random pick will get a one of these wakey plush dolls.
And honestly, guys, you can't touch it right now, but it's
Yeah,
so soft.
it's very soft. It's very soft.
Yeah.
So, and it's perfect if you have children. If not, for the office, it looks great. Go ahead and comment on our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and comment below. But
I can't wait to
yeah,
hear
it's going to be
see
exciting.
everybody's
I'm
ideas.
going to
I
do
know.
some shopping after. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank
and
you, guys.
for more videos like this, just comment and let us know what you guys think. And we'll wait till next week and see what we have. All right? Thanks,
All right,
guys.
cheers, guys.
Bye. Thanks.